SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to change screen timeout on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. You might have noticed that your iPhone screen will dim and then lock when you haven't interacted with the device for a certain period of time. But if you find that this screen timeout period is too short or too long, then you have the option to adjust this setting. You can do so by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Display and Brightness option, and then you can scroll down again and choose Auto Lock from this menu. Here you'll see the different options that are available for the screen timeout. So when you make your selection, that's going to change the amount of time that your iPhone waits before it locks itself after a period of inactivity. Note that you might not see the Never option here if your phone is managed by an organization like a school or business, or if there's a profile set up on your phone that blocks this setting, as the Never option can be a bit of a security risk because it requires you to manually lock the device. Many organizations will simply block it as an option. There's another setting on your phone that can affect the amount of time that your iPhone waits before it locks itself, and this option is found on the Face ID and Passcode menu. So if you go to the main settings menu, you can find Face ID and Passcode and select that, and then you can enter your current device passcode, and then you're going to scroll down and look for an option called Attention Aware Features. If the setting is enabled, then your iPhone is going to check for attention before dimming the display, which means that if you're looking at your phone, then it may not dim the display. If you would like that to not happen, then you can tap the button to the right of Attention Aware Features to turn it off, and then your iPhone is going to automatically dim and lock itself based on the period of inactivity that you set on the Auto Lock menu. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.